Hello, hello, hello. My God, shout out everyone. Rose Dumelad Vlog. Um, Ngayon na mag-shout out ako guys sa inyong lahat. Sa lahat ng mga sumusuport sa aking munting channel at sa aking mga simple videos. First, thank you kay God, thank you kay Lord. Kasi healthy naman tayo maski paano. Maski gaano ka-busy, si Lord ay laging nakagabay sa atin. Saan man tayo naroroon. At pasensya na sa mga hindi ko nare-replyan minsan na mga subscribers ko kasi medyo mahirap ang trabaho. Pero kailangan pagtiyagaan dahil sabi nga nila, kung walang nilaga. Kung walang tiyaga, walang nilaga. And shout out ko muna sa ating anak sa Taiwan. Papauwi na sila, tour yung aking bunso sa Taiwan. Kasama mga kaibigan niya, sila Mika. And shout out sa ating kapatid sa Kapit City, Ramadan Karim sis. At sa lahat ng ating kapatid na Muslim, brothers, sisters, Ramadan Mubarak, Ramadan Karim. Guys, sa inyong lahat. First, thank you so much guys for always supporting my simple videos, my silent live.
You're very welcome. Keep creating and sharing your work. Would you
Nagsasalita. And shout out mga napaka very supportive sa ating silent live. Ating GNGN, ating Salpa Cakes, ating Love Travel Music, si Koy Nana, Honey YTC, si Koy Lauren Directo, Kamahalan Kamalig Mix Vlog, Kamahalan Tuyoyong, thank you sa mga alagad. Asmar Whispering Waves, Asmar Whispering Team, isa lang. Ding Simple Living, Sisikoy Lea de Latino, Sisikoy Lea de Santis, and Michael Campbell, very supportive. And to all, M. Hassan Pasha, thank you also for supporting. And thank you to all my new subscribers, supporters. Please support each other guys. And other, I will shout out also this for supporting my simple videos. Yes, my short videos. Thank you, Bryden Chantel, Music Twins. Thank you. I subscribed you already. And Asmar Whispering Team, thank you. And Mekong, thank you, Mekong. Thank you, Susan Felipe, thank you. Susan Felipe, thank you, shout out. Susan Felipe again, thank you. Thank you, Jen Hardy. Thank you, Jen Hardy. Adding Love Travel Music. Parikoy Umage Channel. Thank you, Parikoy. And Chess Tracer. Thank you, Chess Tracer. Michael Kiambao, thank you. Kayakap Cesar Mixed Blood. Shout out, thank you. Bryden Chantal Music Twins, thank you. Arms Blood 722, thank you also. Nick and Bud's Blood, thank you. Si Kuya Nana Honey White si Mekong. So, this all always supporting me in my short videos, simple videos, in my videos, and to those always supporting my silent live. Thank you so much, Ading GM, Ading Talpakik, Ading Love Travel Music, Sisi Kuya Nana Honey White TC, Nick and Bud's Vlogs, Asmar Whispering Waves, Asmar Whispering Team, Ding Simple Living, si Kuya Laren Director, si Kuya Nana Honey White TC, Kamahalan, Kamalig Mix Vlog, thank you, Kamahalan, Toyoyong, thank you, Kamahalan, and Kamsat Anonyo, and Kamsat El Sayote, thank you. And thank you guys for always supporting me. And to those I didn't mention their names, I would like also to big thanks to all of you guys. Big thanks to all of you guys. And happy blessed day everyone. May God bless us all. Rose the Melod Vlog all the way from Sharjah, United Arab Emirates. Thank you guys.